What is up everyone? So today we have got this super cool little visual elastic band trick. Same again, come from Nathan Dharma. I hope you've checked out his Instagram and stuff. He's pretty cool. It is pretty cool. So all you need is a couple of elastic bands for this little trick. Firstly, I just want to say I love elastic band tricks because elastic bands are so easy to get hold of, and so many tricks you can do with them. Very easy to do, very impromptu to do. They can be super visual, you can get audience using them as well. Loads of routines with elastic bands, so these small little things can produce quite a lot of magic. And you can literally ask a girl as well if she's got a hairband or something like that, which is similar to an elastic band. Quite often they're going to have a hairband, and you can do many tricks that you do with elastic band with a hairband. Okay, so how this trick works is very simple. All you're going to need is one elastic band, and you're going to wrap it two of your fingers, and you're going to double wrap it. So just cross them over, so you've got a little nice double loop. Obviously it depends how tight the elastic band is. You're going to need a fairly bigger elastic band, or a very elastic band. Elastic band? Aren't all elastic bands elastic? I don't actually know. They should be. But an elastic band. Once you've got that double wrapped around two of your fingers, you are going to grab one of the strands and wrap it underneath the other two fingers, like so, and then wrap it on top of the middle section there, and all you're going to do is just clip it with your fingers, bit of pressure, tight. So you've got this little loop where if I just release my fingers now, they're just going to pop to one finger. So that is the basics behind the secret. So you grab that little pinch of that loop, and then whatever speed you want it, whether nice and slow, and it's going to pop around the fingers. You can do it with two elastic bands, you can mix it up however you want. Okay, so I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, well, okay, it's super visual and it's probably good for camera, but how do you do it in person? Because you're only using one elastic band, how do you get away with it? This would be my routine around getting away with it. So, first of all, you got nothing in your hands and you go, look, we're just going to take this elastic band, nice bright green one, and all we're going to do is double wrap this around our fingers, and I'm just going to get this other elastic band, and at that point there you're just going to turn your body angle slightly round for anyone to see, and then all they're going to see is, let me get that position there, all they're going to see is once you've got your hand in here, you're just grabbing that loop and it looks like you're just wrapping around another elastic band. It's a very quick motion, and then you can do your disappearing. So just quickly again from here, keep that wrench closed, looks like you're putting it around your finger, wrapping it around your fingers like you did with the first one, and then do the shake, make it disappear, and then you come up clean with one elastic band. So that's just a little way to kind of hide that you've only actually got one elastic band. And then your pattern can be, look, I'm just going to make it disappear. Nothing in this hand, and only the one in this hand. However you want to present the trick. So that's it for this little super visual elastic band trick. Let me know if you prefer elastic band tricks, card tricks, coin tricks. What kind of tricks do you like to do? I'll be interested to know. And obviously, if everyone just wrote down saying coin tricks, I'll teach you some coin tricks instead of just elastic bands, cards, or I'll just keep mixing it up. I'm going to do a little bit more fishing vlogs as well soon, now the weather's better. I'm actually going to go get my fishing gear now and hopefully catch a barbel. So, fingers crossed, wish me luck, and I'll see you with a very successful fishing vlog, I hope. See you later.